Changing your verification method on Robinhood can help enhance your account security or update your contact preferences. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select the Settings option to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Security Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the Security section. Tap on it to view your current verification methods and security options. Step 4. Choose Verification Method. In the Security settings, you will see options for different verification methods such as email, phone number, or two-factor authentication. Select the method you wish to change or update. Step 5. Follow the prompts. After selecting your desired verification method, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. This may involve entering a new phone number or email address and verifying it through a confirmation code. After completing these steps, your verification method will be updated. Make sure to review your security settings regularly to maintain the safety of your account.